Hello everyone, welcome to the Heroes Initiative powered by IPCA. These heroes are instrumental in improving quality of life of the patients. Today we have one such hero who has improved life of tens and thousands of such patients. Doctor, we welcome you to the Heroes Initiative by IPCA. So doctor, now we are on retinal diseases, do's and don'ts. Doctor, my first question for you is, what are the common symptoms of retinal diseases and when should I seek medical attention?
So there are a lot of retinal diseases, most importantly diabetic retinopathy, hypertensive retinopathy, and then age-related macular degeneration, retinal detachment, to name a few. I mean, the list can go on and on, but we are discussing the common ones. So even in diabetes, the nature or God gives you at least 5 years duration. You would not develop any problems before 5 years, so you have good enough a time to take care of yourself. But after 5 years you might develop retinal problems, and then if you develop that, they are very dreaded. So then you definitely need medical attention. But if you are diabetic, then a dilated retinal examination to a proper ophthalmologist is needed.
What kind of lifestyle changes or habits should I adopt to protect my retinal health and prevent diseases?
So in today's scenario, I would like to say that quit drinking, quit smoking, no tobacco, live a healthy lifestyle, eat healthy, lot of antioxidants in your diet. Because what about tobacco and all? The food which we are getting is also adulterated. So try to shift towards organic lifestyle, have healthy foods, have kitchen grown garden if possible, and do yoga, less stress, proper sleep. Because if there is lack of sleep, it results in a condition which is known as central serous retinopathy. So sleep is also equally important.
Are there any specific activities or environmental factors that I should avoid to reduce the risk of retinal diseases?
Same as I said, living a healthy lifestyle, not smoking. Even we have to understand that passive smoking is more dangerous than active smoking. So even in being in an environment where somebody else is smoking is dangerous to you. And tobacco consumption kind of takes away the health of your optic nerve, and which is irreversible. Even if you have lakhs and crores of rupees and you want to reverse the health of your optic nerve, you cannot do that. So I would suggest prevention is better than cure. Take good care of your health so that you do not end up into all such complications and live a healthy life.
So doctor, your expertise and insights on retinal diseases, do's and don'ts are invaluable to this initiative, and we believe your participation will greatly benefit the patients.